Will water seeping through a patch cause it to fail depends on the patch material, compaction, and how the edges are detailed. When addressing water resistance for a patch, choose a high-performance patch material rated for water exclusion and compatible with the substrate, such as polymer-modified cementitious mixes or asphalt emulsions for pavements. Prepare the repair area by removing all loose material, drying as much as practical, and cleaning to a sound surface. Residual moisture is acceptable if the product permits, but standing water must be removed. Compact the patch in layers using a plate compactor or hand tamping for small repairs, aiming for tight interlock and minimal voids because poor compaction is the most common pathway for water migration. Overfill the patch slightly and then strike off or trim to create a dense crowned surface, so runoff directs water away from the edge rather than toward it. Seal the perimeter with a compatible flexible sealant or a bead of the same patch product worked into the joint to prevent capillary action at the interface. Allow proper cure time before exposing to traffic or heavy water, and follow manufacturer temperature and moisture cure guidance to achieve designed performance. 3 common issues are insufficient compaction, poor edge detailing, and using the wrong material for wet environments. If compaction is inadequate, the patch will settle and open pathways for water, so rework in lifts with proper tamping until the material resists finger depression. If edges are feathered instead of square or sealed, water will track under the patch, so cut back to sound material and create a slightly beveled or keyed edge and apply a perimeter seal. If the patch material is not formulated for moisture exposure, it will deteriorate quickly, so check product technical data for water resistance and select polymer-modified or membrane-forming options for persistent moisture. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project-specific resources that include water resistance guidance for repairs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experiences and practical tips, helping both sides find work and solve common repair challenges.